There's no way I'm going to let all these magnificent nutrients in these kitchen scraps go to waste. They're going to go back into the soil where they belong. But first we have to compost them, and I'm going to show you how. These little compost tumblers are ideal for making the perfect compost. So we take our kitchen scraps and in they go. We continue to do this for about 3 to 4 weeks. But for every bowl of kitchen scraps that go in, we need to add the equivalent amount of dried leaves. You can substitute dry leaves for hay or straw. The combination of both together at a 50-50 balance is going to give you the perfect product. Over the next 8 weeks, we're going to give the compost tumbler a spin 2 or 3 times a week. And after about 8 weeks, we're going to have the most perfect product and the best compost to put back into your garden soil. Our beautiful homemade compost is one of the most important additions that we can give to our garden. Mixing it into the soil, it's going to hold moisture and hold nutrition. This is going to give our vegetables the best chance for maximum growth. But don't forget a handful of blood and bone. They love that vital nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium that blood and bone delivers. This is the full garden flow for the best homegrown goodness.